Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 recap video on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select reel. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and to create 2024 recap video, we can use template from Instagram. I'm going to go to the templates menu, and then I'm going to select this template to create 2024 recap video. Okay, I'm going to replace the videos in the template with my own videos. I'm going to add my own video. Right guys, I'm going to choose videos for instance. Select video. I'm going to select video from my camera. Okay, I'm going to pick a random video from my gallery like this. Okay, now it's done. I have selected 23 videos from my gallery and I'm going to click on next. And we just need to wait for a moment. The recap video will be created automatically. Okay, this is the result and I'm going to click on next. And before we post it to our Instagram, we'll be able to edit the reel. We can add sticker, tags, or maybe replace the music. But I'm just going to leave it like that and I'm going to click on next. Okay. Okay, and here you can add caption and hashtag for your reel. And then once you're ready to post it, you just need to click on share and then your recap video will be shared to your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 recap video on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!